Hello, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to MK Body Fitness Tips. In today's video, we'll be looking at 8 healthy snacks you can eat to help you lose weight. They are packed with nutrients. They are also good for the brain. They can help your body fight off disease. They are good for skin and hair as well. They can help build muscles. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get right to it. Number 1 on the list is Greek yogurt. It is a good source of protein, it is filling and contains lesser calories. Choose low-fat Greek yogurt for better weight management. The best is to eat it plain and unsweetened. You may add berries or granolas if you want to add taste to it. People who have lactose intolerance may also find Greek yogurt easier to digest because of the bacterial breakdown of the milk's sugars. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics. The probiotics are healthy bacteria that can help boost your immune system and decrease stomach issues such as diarrhea and pain. Number 2 is celery. It is low in calories and considered a negative calorie food. It is full of water and fiber that can make your stomach feel full. With minerals like magnesium, iron, and sodium, celery can have a neutralizing effect on acidic foods. Not to mention the fact that these minerals are necessary for essential bodily functions. You can eat a large quantity of celery without adding extra calories. So it is easy to prepare as well as a snack. You can eat it raw or steamed or add it to smoothies, stir fries, soups and juices. The third one is peanut butter. It is a good source of protein and it is high in fiber. It can help control your appetite and blood sugar. 75% fat of its fat is unsaturated. Research shows that eating unsaturated fat instead of saturated fat may help reduce levels of LDL, the bad cholesterol, and lower your risk of heart disease. Enjoy the benefits of peanut butter with wheat bread and fruits such as bananas. You can eat peanut butter toast to start your day or as a snack. And a study shows that eating nuts before eating a meal can suppress appetite. Peanut butter may benefit your weight loss plan by promoting fullness, preserving muscle mass, and maintaining weight loss in the long term. The fourth one is dark chocolate. Not only helps with losing weight, but it has a lot of health benefits. It contains stimulants like caffeine and theobromine, but it is unlikely to keep you awake at night, as the amount of caffeine is very small compared to coffee. Eating dark chocolate can help reduce cholesterol. It contains antioxidants and controls your appetite. It's made from the seed of the cacao tree. It is one of the best sources of antioxidants on the planet. Studies show that dark chocolate, not that sugary type, can improve your health and lower the risk of heart disease. Please comment below on which one is your favorite brand of dark chocolate. Number 5. It is the nuts. Mixed nuts. They are very healthy and filling. They are rich in unsaturated fats, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and vitamin E. Incorporating nuts into your diet can promote weight loss. Nuts are antioxidant powerhouses as well. You can eat raw or roasted nuts. Avoid adding flavors as it may contain sugar and salt, which is not good. It's beneficial for type 2 diabetics and metabolic syndrome. Nuts also have a strong anti-inflammatory properties. We know that inflammation is your body's way of defending itself from injury, bacteria, and other potential harmful pathogens. But chronic long-term inflammation can cause damage to organs and increase disease risk. Research suggests that eating nuts may reduce inflammation and promote healthy aging. That being said, nuts are generally an excellent food to eat on a low-carb diet. Number 6 is hard-boiled eggs. They are very nutritious and low in calories. Eggs are rich in protein that reduces appetite and increases fullness because eggs pack a complete range of amino acids. High-protein foods can help you eat as a snack between meals. Hard-boiled eggs also offer various important nutrients including vitamin D, zinc, calcium, and all the B vitamins. They are a particularly good source of riboflavin, which is vitamin B2 and vitamin B12. Over the years though, eggs have gotten a bad reputation due to their high cholesterol content. The truth is, They are high in cholesterol, but not the risky one that can increase heart disease, so they have a good HDL. Popcorn is a very healthy snack. It's actually one of my favorites. It is rich in fiber and low in calories. It contains protein and lots of vitamins and minerals, including calcium, potassium, vitamin A, and vitamin K. Choose to eat healthy homemade popcorn without salt or sugar. Sweetened or salted popcorn may contain higher calories than other snacks. Many people don't realize it, but popcorn is a whole grain food, making it naturally high in several important nutrients. Number 8 on the list is avocados. They are burned at a higher rate than any other types of fat. They may actually increase the rate at which fat is burned in your body. They may cause your body also to burn more calories after eating them. They can reduce the appetite and decrease the desire to eat after a meal. And foods that are high in fat or fiber can help you feel more full and satisfied after eating them. This is partly because fat and fiber slow the release of food from your stomach, and avocados can help you feel full longer because of that. You end up going longer between meals, potentially even eating fewer calories overall. Avocados also contain a fair amount of niacin, which is good for the skin, riboflavin, copper, magnesium, manganese, and antioxidants. This is one of my favorites. So I hope you really enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and mention in the comments below which one is your favorite. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.